Prophet Ebuka. Prophet Ebuka. Obu no Ojukwu no today, if Ojukwu is alive. Because of this thing in Imo State, because of the development in Watanangwabana, Ojukwu ga-asịgo nwa m daalụ, nwa m jisike. Ojukwu ga-ekwe n'aka. I know that most of you will not believe what I'm saying, but I don't care whether you believe or you don't believe. I know what I'm saying. Obu no Ojukwu no today. Ojukwu ga-agakwa Evangelist Ebuka bisia daalụ Igbo onye Igbo. And they give opportunity and now all the Igbos. Do you know why you know what all your investment in Igbo land? Una fuki hona agwanye. No only like how many days? Can the Igbo no na Lagos? Sina Lagos poor. Lagos have been nago. Okay, look on all the Igbos will return back home to develop their hometown, to develop their land. Because all the investment Nina uneme outside Igbo land, your children will not eat the fruit of your labor. In next 50 years, in next 100 years, all your investment, your children will not eat it. They will take it from them. And when you have one Nigeria in this nation, tribalism is too much in this country. Tribalism, Christianity in this country. Tribalism in politics. Tribalism in everywhere in this country. The time has come that you people will return back home, develop your land. Actually, all the Igbos, billionaires and millionaires. Kunu nele Evangelist Ebuka bianya. Nele anya. More from him. Oga Balono. I have spoken.